Get to Local 4's Grant Herms to lay out everything that's happened over the less than 24 hours.
It has been an eventful 24 hours to say the least, but the ballot is now set. Two major initiatives, that one on abortion and another on voting rights, will be put to voters this fall. Now, the Board of Canvassers was ordered by the Michigan Supreme Court to certify both of these initiatives. Both initiatives had challenges to them, but the highest profile one was a spacing problem in what appears to have been a programming error in the abortion petition that voters actually signed. You'll be hearing a lot about that in the next 2 months if you haven't heard it or seen it in the ads that are running already. Now, the board today voted unanimously to approve these measures, to a round of cheers from the crowd in the room as well. The board had deadlocked last week, the two Democrats in favor, the two Republicans against, and that is what triggered that decision by the state's high court. Now, there were just 6 public comments made today, but it was 5-1 in favor of the board's approval of the abortion ruling. Take a listen first to a man who called in, who was against this decision, and then to one of the supporters.
It's abortion rights so they can kill the babies. And now I don't have the right to tell a woman that, that they can have an abortion or whether they got to give birth to the baby. So it's not reproductive freedom for all.
I want to express my profound appreciation to the Michigan Supreme Court for ruling to place Proposal 3 on the ballot, so Michigan voters can decide the fate of abortion and reproductive health for girls and women in our state.
And from here on out, it will be an expensive ad campaign. We're talking estimates that are over $10 million to sway voters one way or another. This will also no doubt have an effect on turnout as well, specifically in the governor's race. We'll have a lot more coming up for you this afternoon at 5 o'clock. Back to you.